What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, people, traders, and dedicated gold chasers? Welcome back to another modern day trader. YouTube Live, man. Let's fucking go, bro. Let me just get straight into the shits, bro, because we might have a potential trade here. So jump into the charts, bro. So you can see that yesterday we actually broke above these highs, formed a higher high, pull back, and now what you can see is that we're actually breaking above these highs once again within a voluminous time and with hella momentum. So that means we're just going to be scaling down onto the 1 minute time frame, checking if we do break above that, where our potential entry would be. It would be above that level. So that's 506, 507, and then your stop loss would be below 313. So that's around about a 20 This is all dependent, by the way, on price action closing above on price action closing above the 15-minute level. What's that? 24, so we'll have a 26 pip stop. With targets. Okay, we have 1 more minute left. Calculate my lot size real quick. What's going on? I'm gonna go in there with a 4 pip. 4 lot. 4.5. Please play out, bro. We'll check now how much the... Oh, fuck, am I in it already? Nigga, damn, this thing didn't even break above, bro. Let's see. 100,000. Swap with money. 750. Stop loss is 26 pips. Oh, I'm not too far off. I might be risking a bit more than $700, but okay. Yeah, guys, this is the trade that we're planning to take. 1 to 2. So I'll get into explaining the trade in a minute. Let's just add our alert right here. Add an alert. That alert's going to be called entry. Copy, paste, create. 290, and then 193.070. Okay. Okay, Let me add a banner and say, oh, did I prematurely get into this? Fuck's sake. Okay, let's put this one. Right. Oh, let's change this voice correlation. So guys, we currently have a 78% chance of the 4H closing in our direction, and that gives me way more confidence in yeah, yeah. Don't know what's going on with the Wi-Fi. Don't know what's going on with the Wi-Fi. Mute. Oh, as I was saying, you can see that I'm in the trade currently floating in, well, it's just around break even, right? And you can see it on the screen too. But I just wanted to show you guys that I actually take the trade that is on the live. And yeah, we're just anticipating that price action will, as it broke above, the price action will continue with volume to the upside. We do have an uptrend from a 15-minute perspective. We obviously have 4H correlation across all pairs. We are in a bit of drawdown right now, but at the end of the day, we have, as it shows on the screen, we have potentially a 78% chance of price action pushing bullish in this 4H candle. It's just about us like finding the high trade. And I think we got into a decent trade. I wouldn't like change anything on this particular trade. So yeah, yeah, we just let it play out. If it takes me out, it takes me out. If it wins, it wins. Like there's no ill feelings about this one. Like there's literally none that I can do. And I'll show you guys like from a higher time frame perspective. Now that we're actually in the trade, I'll show you from a higher time frame perspective exactly what I saw, right? So you can see the daily close bearish, right? Daily close bearish, that's fine. With that being said, we had already taken out the daily high of yesterday, so I do have more confidence in us continuing to push to the upside. But the previous candle closed bullish, so that gave me like that kicked in with the initial thought process. What is 4H correlation? Do we have good like bullish biased or bullish sentiment in the market, right? And then in order to know if you have, we see what we have. Let's see, jumping onto GBP USD, you'll see specifically have a strong pound, and since pound is pretty strong, you just anticipate that it will continue being strong in the next 4H candle, right? And then now what you're looking for yen weakness from like the other end of the pair. I think they call it if the front one is the base pair, I don't know what the second one is. I don't really know. But yeah, we're looking at JP window. It is that it is weak. So you can see EJ closes bearish as well. I mean bullish as well. See, so you can see we have clear sentiment from JPY, like we have clear weak sentiment, like we have weakness in the market, and that then should show that there is potential that price action should push to the upside. And with, like, I called out the fact that we broke above here, right, and we formed that high, then initially in the low, and now we have broken structure again and broken above 15-minute level again. Now with volume and with most anticipating that with volume we have a clean stop below market structure on the 1 minute time frame. So with volume we should have the momentum for price action to continue and to push to the upside, right? Be able to essentially like do analysis and execute when you, bro. If it's an L, then it's an L. If it's a winner, it's a winner. Ain't nothing else you can do, bro. Yeah, guys, we're currently in longs. Yeah, just a heads up. I don't really know what's going on with Wi-Fi today, but we'll hopefully we can just sit through it. Break even right now. We're currently floating in a bit of drawdown. I would like to show you, but I'm just afraid that the Wi-Fi doesn't necessarily like hold. So I'll rather hold on to the. Let me see if I can pop up on the screen, bro. Eventually, when I do pop up on the, oh, there we go. So you can see we are in the trade. There we go. We in the trade. We're risking 0.75 to 0.8%. And yeah, we'll see if it plays out. It plays out, as I mentioned. Break even is at 1 to 1, which is about 198.10 area. And if it hits that, obviously I'll get my alert and we just move on. If it doesn't, then oh well, so well. That just means, you know what I mean? So fucking hell. But like, don't worry about it, sweetheart. Just that splat. So hey bro, let's just let it run. See Wagwan. And yeah. If I am quiet, and it just means like I'm busy in the background or I'm like watching the charts. But hit a comment down below if you need to know anything. Yeah. Yeah, man. Everything takes a bit longer. Mm. Okay, we currently floating around break even, bro. Slight throwdown break even, but yeah, yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Yeah, better. But just looking at where price action, how it's moving, it is a bit tough. Yeah, I can definitely see the slowdown and the fact that we almost tried to break the highs, but like we're failing to break the highs on the 1 minute. Uh, yeah. Until we actually break those highs and form higher highs, I think it will be a bit tricky, like to navigate this trade. As I mentioned, I am in the trade. Let me just show you once again. I currently am in the trade, floating in a bit of negatives. Yeah, I am in the trade, floating in negative. And just remember, guys, this is not signals. This is nothing. This is just personally for me to record my journey. But I am in this trade, anticipating the price action should continue higher from just a higher time frame perspective. We have 4H correlations, so we have sentiment in that pound is strong and yen is weak. So upon the breaking close of the now you can see we are having a little bit of a pullback, and stops right now are at 192,290. Break even point is at 192,810, and then obviously TP at 193,070. So we'll see how it plays out. I'll just keep an eye on the 1 minute time frame, just because this is where I keep an eye on structure. You can see that my SL is 2 pips below the low, and so yeah, as I mentioned, this is not looking too good, to be honest with you. Just because we anticipate, like we tried to break these highs, and then we failed, and then now you can see we're kind of falling with a bit of a market. Might close bearish, which is a bit tough, but okay. If we do get a bullish close after this, then it should be fine, in my opinion. Yeah, that is what we're looking at. So we'll see how it plays out. If you guys have any questions about the trade, you can go ahead and ask. You can comment down below. But yeah, that's the trade, bro. Ooh, the piece is falling out the sky, bro. It needs to go up. Get up! Get all up! Get up! Get all up! Wake your asses up and get to the charts, baby! Let's go! Get up! Get all up! Are we gonna win? Are we gonna lose? Are we gonna get a break even? I don't know. But right now we're sitting in hella drawdown, bro. Like, yeah, we're sitting in a hella drawdown, baby. But don't worry about it, sweetheart. Just that splat. Yeah, as long as the 1 minute is still like bullish from like a 1M time frame, like structure perspective, we should be fine at it, bro. We should be fine. Yeah, if you do have any comments, just drop a comment down below. And yeah. There we go. There's the pre-London volume. There's the pre-London volume, bro. If we can break above those highs and essentially make a new higher high that will then form this new higher low, I will be chuffed, bro. But obviously the 15-minute close bearish, right? So this could be the 15-minute wick and then it proceeds to take me out. I'm not gonna like act like, yeah, but like the way we turn around, obviously we had the engulfing candlestick on the 1 minute time frame. Then we push into the upside. So let's see if we can break 1 minute structure, bro. Okay, we are pushing up on the 1 minute time frame. We still need the break of structure though, which would be that dotted line. If we can get the break of structure, I'd feel way more comfortable with this trade, because then like we can see volume and momentum to the upside. You know what I mean? So yeah, right now we currently consolidating, and yeah, we just consolidating, bro. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. It's a tricky area in the market. where price is like just ranging. You can see there's a lot of like volume and momentum to the downside. Just with regards to like momentum of the candles, you can see like it's harder for price action to push bullish than it is for it to push bearish. Uh, just hoping that price will eventually like push up. That's it. Like with pre-London volume, push up and then see that push to the upside. So yeah, yeah. And just trading the numbers, letting the numbers play out, and it just is what it is, bro. Is what it is. Oh, what's going on, bro? Scotto YT. What's going on? What's going on? Currently in buys, just anticipating that with pre-London volume, we are hour before London. That with pre-London volume, we should push to the upside. However, we need this 1 minute break of structure, bro. We really need the 1 minute break of structure. If we don't get the 1 minute break of structure, then like we're either gonna consolidate like we're doing right now, Scotto, or alternatively, what we could see is price action actually taking me out. So the 1 minute structure will give me more 1 minute break of structure to form the higher high will give me more confidence in price like breaking and pushing to the upside essentially. So if we do get the break and like the push to the upside, that then essentially means that like my my higher low will be in and around like those previous lows that were just created now at around 192,375, right? So we'll see. Along with that, if we can get a 15-minute close that's bullish, like the way the candle's looking right now, then I have, in my opinion, then I have like higher chances of price pushing bullish, bro. Do I manage funds? I'm currently in the process of doing 100K challenge. So, but like I did pass the FTMO 10K account. I'm just also in the process of like setting up my company and everything. Because when you do like pass the challenge, you realize that with FDMO specifically, you can only set your identity one time, meaning that like you can either be one of three things. You can either be an individual, you can be a like a self-employed type thing, or you can be a company, right? And in South Africa, like individuals get taxed mad, bro. But ultimately, let me just show you this. So ultimately, yes, I am managing funds currently. Right now, I'm in the trade, sitting at a slight negative. I'm risking 0.75%, which is $750 on a 100K account. So yeah, slight negative. Like I really am in this trade. So you can see there is the okay. There's the entry price and things. So yeah, we in this trade right now, doing the 100K challenge, past the 10K challenge and verification phases. So yeah, just doing the same thing over and over again. And like, regardless of win, lose, or break even, you just need to realize that like when you do the same thing over and over again, and you know that your plan works, like it will average out to being winners. So yeah. Uh, hello, Sudeep. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I don't like the way this 1 minute structure is forming. It's making me feel a bit like, mm, trade is a bit like tough. You know what I mean? But like other than that, I'm good, bro. I'm good. How you doing? How's trading going, guys? Like, yeah. How's the session going? If you guys are session based traders, but I'm personally, Sudeep. I'm good, bro. Yeah, just letting things play out. Once you're in the trade, like you just let it play out. As long as you use risk management, you like you trade it according to your plan, you don't feel any type of way, everything should be good. But I'm good, bro. I'm good. How's the session going for you guys? Are you guys in any trades specifically? Yeah. Uh, I'll feel so much more confident in this trade once we break those 1 minute highs, bro. Once we break these 1 minute highs here at 192580, then I'll be so much more comfortable in this trade. Like I'll be so much more comfortable in this trade. Get a 15-minute bullish close above these bodies, then I think there's a high chance, like in the next minute or two, if we can get a 15-minute bullish close above these areas, then there's a high chance of price action pushing to the upside. So that's what I'm personally looking at. Yeah, I'll just leave it on the 15 minutes for now, just to keep an eye on where the price action actually closes above that level. This is my break-even alert, where price action gets to a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then I can move to break-even, right? But if price action can close somewhat like this, or even take out the highs on the 1 minute and then continue, we should be good, bro, in my opinion. But I'm good, ready for this session. So yeah, I'm good. As you guys can see, my entry criteria is like, or not my entry criteria, but my trade is at the bottom, so the entry is 192550. Break even level is 192810, and then my TP is 193070 for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Yeah. There is about 45 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. If we can just close something or somewhat like this, I'd be pretty confident in this trade, bro. Pretty damn confident. Okay, so we got a bullish close, but we didn't close above the level that I marked at 190,477, which is a bit of a problem because now there is chances that price action could actually push to the downside. But yeah, if we do, it just is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it, and we'll just like trade as things play out. You know what I mean? Yeah. The market will play out the way it needs to play out and give you the result that it needs to give you. Yeah, it just is what it is, bro. We're currently right now on the 1 minute, just consolidating, not breaking highs or lows. I would like it to break the high on the 1 minute at 195.90. And then if we can break those highs, then yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's not really looking good for this trade. It's not looking good for this trade at the current moment, but It is what it is, bro. We followed every single step of the plan, took the breakout trade, and yeah, it just is what it is. Like, is what it is. If it takes me out, it takes me out, and we move on to the next trade. So yeah, currently floating in throwdown. Uh, yeah, bro, floating in throwdown. Stops at 192, 290, and we'll see if it plays out or not, bro. If it takes me out, it takes me out. We're very close to stop loss. Yeah, it just is what it is, bro. There ain't shit you can do about it. You just need to trust the fact that your stop placed in a good place. If we do take me out, then the chances are that the 1 minute is gonna start flipping bearish, and you wouldn't want to be in a trade when the 1 minute flips bearish. So yeah, we should be able to essentially bounce off from this level. And if we don't bounce off this level and we break this level, then well, yeah, then we bearish on the 1 minute. So you don't want to be in a buy when we are bearish. And I'm not moving my stop. That's not in the plan. The stop is the stop for a reason. So yeah, we'll sit through it, sit through the drawdown, and we'll see. We'll see how it plays out, bro. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking good. Okay, we're looking like we're gonna get taken out. Boom. Okay, let me just record this trade. Screenshot. Okay, we were taken out, guys. Just is what it is. It's part of the game. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but it's part of the game, as I mentioned. If the only way that I can enter now again in this session is that if price action essentially breaks above that height. But yeah, quarter L is part of the game. Uh, there's nothing we can do about it, bro. So what you can see is from a 15-minute perspective, we had a break of structure once again right there. Uh, break of structure broken. Section pulls back all the way down to points of interest, then maybe I can get in. But if it doesn't, then it just is what it is, bro. It just is what it is. Yeah. So yeah, guys, took a L for the day. So let me change my banner to one trade loser. So far we've taken one trade and it's been a loser. It just is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. So I think the best thing is the transparency and people being able to see that, like, hey, bro, like you transparent. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, that's the most important thing. Uh, yeah, for me, that personally is the most important thing, that I can showcase every single, well, not every single trade, but like every single trade that I take on the live, I actually take it, and there's nothing like that I can hide. You know what I mean? Like, it just is what it is, bro. It is what it is. So yeah. Okay, so we did take one trade so far. It was a loser. I'll show you. So this right here was the before, right? So we broke above my 15-minute level. I was anticipating buys on the basis that like we have 4H correlation. Broke above the level, anticipated the price action is going to continue. This is the 1 minute time frame. You can see a higher high, higher low. Anticipation that price action is going to continue, right? Price action formed this new higher high, which means this is a valid higher low. And then you can just see that price action failed to break above these highs and then came to the downside. So yeah, you can see price action failed to break above these highs at like when it was attempting to break. And then yeah, then we just broke to the downside with this 15-minute candle. So all we need to do now is essentially wait on price action and see exactly what is going to happen. So yeah, we'll see. If we do get another break above, I'll take another breakout and then we hawk away for the day on the second trade. If we don't get a breakout and we just continue to the downside, we continue to the downside. It is what it is. Be live too, boys. Okay, guys, so this would be my second and last trade of the day and of the session. London session is just about to open. Just anticipating that when we do break these highs, that we should then continue to the upside, right? We got from a 15-minute perspective, we got a breakout of the 15-minute level. You can see we broke and close above that level. Continuation, anticipating continuations. Now, as long as I can get a break even, we should be fine. We'll see if it gets triggered. If it doesn't get triggered, then it is what it is. And yeah, also if it takes out my stop loss range, then I'll delete the trade. And yeah, it is what it is too. So yeah. And the reason why my stop loss will go below here is because if we do break above the high right now, then we would have made a higher high and we should continue struct is ultimately the plan. As I mentioned, if we take out the stop loss range, we just delete the trade and we walk away. Yeah, that's the plan. We'll see if it plays out or not. And yeah, guys, yeah, add our stops, our alerts, so we can add an alert here at 70, and this is going to be called entry. Create. 780, and we'll see if it plays out. Sorry. So it's been placed. We'll see if we get triggered or not. And yeah. Hopefully London open volume comes in. Okay, we triggered. We inside. So let me just screenshot the trade. There we go. It's been triggered, as you guys saw. Damn, that pushed me up at 2 pips, bro. So we screenshot. Price should continue to the upside, right? So this is the for the day, and we'll see if it pushes to the upside. You guys can see It's been triggered. It did move me up by 2 pips. So yeah, yeah. Uh, Slightly, it's like around break even. So we'll see with London open. With London open volume, we should get this push to the upside enough to give me break even at least. So yeah, yeah. Okay, you can see that we actually got the break of structure, which is extremely good. So now we know that our stop is at a protected low, and we're just gonna let it play out, see what happens. And yeah, yeah, we'll see what happens and just let it play out, bro. Just let it play out. And hopefully it plays out. Everything's in place. My TP is in place. My stop loss is in place. Lot size was calculated to 0.75%. And yeah, we'll see how it plays out. See how it plays out, man. Hopefully this one plays out as you guys can see. First trade was loser. Second trade, we in the trade, and we'll just let it play out. London open volume should bring in high momentum and high volume. Yeah, yeah. Let's see what's up. Mic was on mute, but as you guys can see, we are moving in profit. Yeah, yeah, we should continue. I think when it hits like midway my break even point, I'll actually go break even, just because, like, to be honest with you, I don't really want to lose this trade. And price action right now at the current moment uh, has formed these higher lows essentially. So hopefully we can get more momentum and price could push to at least where like it hits my midway point. There we go, where it hits my midway point and we get to the midway point of the trade, and then I can potentially go break even at that point. Now it is going to be early, and yeah, but like I just don't want to lose, bro. Really and truly. There we go. There's the push. There's the push, bro. There's the push. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we can actually get our break even. And yeah. So this means my break even actually needs to come down to okay, you can see we currently floating at 50% profit. 50% profit right now. Well, 50% of what was rest, we're floating at 50% profit. Hopefully we can get that 1-to-1 and we can go break even. Yeah, I don't want price action to come back to my break even point right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, we can get a pullback, hopefully 2 candle pullback, but like I wouldn't want price to come all the way back down to my break even point right now, to be honest with you. Just because my break even point is essentially where structure is right now. And yeah. Okay, so you guys can see I just went break even. I don't know if you can see, but I just went break even now just to protect myself. Now, yeah, we should, because in theory, like we should push to the upside now and like continue, in my opinion. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see exactly what happens. I mean, if we come down and take me out at this point and then go up, I'd feel sad. Maybe I should move my because that's not the rules. Like the rules is not to go break even at 50% profit. The rules is to go break even at 1-to-1, and I do think there's a high chance that price should continue. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. If it actually gives me a break even at 1-to-1, then I'll go break even. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But right now we're floating slightly under 0.5% profit. What will be even better now is if we get a 1 minute break above these levels, then I will definitely move to break even without a shadow of a doubt, because then we'll have a new like high, and this would be our new higher low, and then we shouldn't in theory break below these areas. So it will be even more welcomed if we can get a break and close above these dotted areas right here. And guys, this is the second trade of the day, so this will be the last trade of the day. Just a heads up, second and last trade of the day. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. To everybody in South Africa that's celebrating Heritage Day, I guess happy Heritage Day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the time off from work and the time off just like with family. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Okay, we're getting that push to the upside. If we can get just a bit more momentum to clear those highs completely, that will be really good. If in one candle we can actually push up to break even and clear these highs, that will be great. That will be great. Yeah, 23 seconds left on this candle. There's the pullback. Let's just close above. If we can just close above that area, that will be wonderful too. But yeah, we'll see. 12 seconds left. Let's see. So the 15-minute, how did the 15-minute close? 15-minute close with little to no wick, which is a bit troublesome, but okay, because now we do have chance to pull back. And as you can see, like you can see that we had already had a big push to the upside. I would like that 1-minute break of structure so then I can actually move my stop to break even. But I will be keeping an eye on the trade just because we could come down and actually take me out, to be honest with you. So yeah. We'll see how it plays out, guys. I'm still in the trade. We're floating around. Slightly below 0.5% profit. Slightly below 0.5%. And the only reason why I'm saying 0.5% is because we risk 0.75. What would be great is we can get that 1-minute break to the upside, and then we can see price action pushing to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Just looking for continuations into my break even level. And then yeah. But there is chances, as I mentioned, with the 15-minute closing with very little to no wick, we could get a pullback. Yeah, we just need to test market structure. Obviously, market structure is I could go break even just because like here we formed a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. So we shouldn't necessarily break below these areas here. But like, yeah, my break even level is at but okay, we'll see how it plays out. We are floating in profit right now, so yeah. That's a good push. That's a very good push, guys. Let's see if we can continue that push and break above these highs, get the break of structure, and then continue. Okay, this is looking a bit suspect, bro. It's looking a bit suspect, but okay. Okay, we'll see. Just let it play out and see what happens. Let it play out and see what happens. So you can see we're still floating in profit. Just a little bit of profit, bro, is coming back. Yeah, yeah. I'm hoping it doesn't come all the way back to break even. And then it flips structure, just because like I'd like my structural flip to be above break even. So yeah. What's going on, bro? You good? You good? Guys, so the session so far has been uh one loser, and then we in this current trade right now. This is my last and final, like my second and final trade for the day. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. I followed all of my rules. We had a big push to the upside. Anticipating the continuations to the upside. So yeah, structure is where structure is, and we'll just like wait and see if price action follows structural points. I would like a break above these highs so that I can go break even, and then we should be good, bro. Like then we can continue moving. So yeah, yeah. Damn. That's 2 trades for the day, 2 losers. You can see there the alert just went off. Damn. Damn. 7.3% on the account. We down 7.3%, bro. Shit. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. I'm done trading for the day. Both trades are part of the plan. It is what it is. Took a trade according to the plan. Took a second trade according to the plan. Second trade went up to 0.5% in profit, and then pulled back. It just is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Yeah, it's been good live streaming. Tomorrow we're back to work. Yeah. I hope you guys have a lovely day further. And yeah, from your boy Marcy at the Modern Day Trader. Peace out, man.